I'm here to do a story time. I'm going to use one of Amber Coleman's. On the 28th of January 2025, my mom was murdered in Kaya. It was ubekade ehlala nengane yami. He was almost 2 years at that time, and my sister's daughter, she came for a visit on the previous night ezohamba ngathatha ekuseni emsebenzini. So kwaku 7 ekuseni umakhelwane ezwe umuntu ekhala, and then immediately after that kukhale ingane. So kuthe emva kwalokho-ke wasehamba-ke ekhaya. Uma efika ekhaya kwaba awkward nje ukuthi umakhelwane angavula wonke amawindi, like she has never done that. Even noma sikhona akawavuli wonke amawindi endlini. And ingane iyakhala ngaphakathi, uyanqonqoza, no one is akekho sabelayo. Kuthe emva kwalokho because wayengaphethe ifoni, waphuthuma waya kwakhe wayolanda ifoni. Wabe sefonela my older sister ukuthi afike, khona into angayi-understand. And then uma efika, he came with my cousin. Ukhazini wami angene ngewindi because icapha zayivaliwe. Angene ngewindi, uma efika, my mom was lifeless. And ingane isikhale yaze yalala enyaweni kama. Well, at that time they thought ukuthi na ingane sho ibulewe because wayeselele enyaweni kama. So wavulela usisi wami, and when my sister came wascreama, ila ingane yavuka khona, ubona ukuthi ingane isaphila. So there's not much to the story because till today akakaboshwa umuntu owenze lento. There are people abathi bambona ephuma ekhaya ebaleka on that day lo incident, but people are not willing to come forward bazoba ofakazi. Even nakwesini wayekade ekubo nje eyibhushela. Yabona umuntu uma ezobhusha ifocus yakhe ingabi kule nto ayenzayo, ibe sekuthenini ufuna ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani lapho phesheya. Very close, very close. Bangithi makhelwane. So yeah, that was that. Till today we don't know ukuthi yini yenza ukuthi ambulale. We don't know. Kusini bathola uphaqa. Basibuza ukuthi siyawazi lo phaqa, sathi no aswazi. Babuza-ke nabantu at the scene wamakhelwane ukuthi bayawazi na uphaqa. Bathi nababawazi. But people did come forward basho ukuthi umuntu onalophaqa endaweni usibani bani. I could not sleep for days ngilapha ekhaya because ngakhululekile, not knowing exactly ukuthi what was the reason for my mom to be murdered like that, and what if this person comes back. The only day I got to sleep was only one day when he was arrested. Uboshela ukuthi wayesezama ukubaleka. He is currently out on parole. I don't know if for 20 or 25 years, I'm not sure. So it is a puma because we engahlali lapha before eboshwa. So what is a puma or puma uza lapha ngasekhaya. So we are signing each and every week, I think. I'm not sure. Ukuthi parole ihamba kanjani. So uma eseyosayina acela ukuthi ucela ukushintsha ukusayina ayosayinela enkandla. Bathi bavele babiza amaphoyisa-ke esedoda ukuthi lo muntu lo nithi uyasoleka ekubulaleni umama lapho eMfume. Nangethi ucela ukushintsha ukusayina manje ayosayinela enkandla. Bambopha-ke ngaleso sizathu-ke bethi uzama ukubaleka. Bambuza indaba kaphaqa eseboshiwe-ke. Ngalesikhathi eboshwa-ke bahamba bayophenya lapha kubo. Into abayithola was iskipa esigqokile on that day. Sasinama stains, ama-stains lawo esisokhile. Basithatha-ke leso skipa-ke as into ezohamba iyoseshwa i-DNA ukuthi leli stain lesi igazi yini, and if kuyigazi akusilona nelama. nophaqa nawo wahamba for DNA. Mayebuzwa ngophaqa, uphaqa uthi wawushiya kamakhelwane. Babekade bephusha imoto kunetha. Babekade bephusha imoto kunetha. Wayese eshiya uphaqa. Mayesebuye yobalanda, umakhelwane wanqaba ukuthi amnikeze uphaqa bakhe. That's what he said. Umakhelwane-ke lo, umakhelwane-ke lo-ke okuthiwa uphaqa bashiwa khona, naye bambiza-ke bambuza ukuthi wayekephi on that day of incident, wathi wayesemsebenzini. Wayezohamba-ke umseshi ayikhona emsebenzini ayobheka ama-clock ends nayo yonke, like do further investigations. Till today, we don't know if umseshi did go. Even to today, we don't have a postmortem of what really transpired, because we also want to know if Warisha before she was murdered. With that, we don't know. Okanye it was those GBV stuff, not ukuthi wayejola naye lo mfana because umfana omncane. But mhlambe wamdlengula and then wambona wasezama ukumbona. We don't know. Izinto nje nathi sikhanda emakhanda because we don't have anything esingathi kwenzeka ukuthi, because this person is still out here. We are iphilela. And we keep on wondering each and every day of what really transpired. So, yeah. I think that's it. I think you guys can put more questions. I can answer that to those questions. And if I did forget something, I'll also mention it on comments. Thank you. I'm Tango Music, guys.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Kunasisi lo post indlu eyakubo bayithengisa nga-550k laphana ku-TikTok. So le ndlu bayiposte or bayifake irada lapha ku-Property 24 bayithengisa ina 4 bedroom ilapha eMgababa. So people were asking ukuthi why nithengisa le ndlu, because ukhulumile kancane ukuthi bayithengisa because makwakhe ushonele kule ndlu. People said ukuthi baqela story time ukuthi aqhazele usesiko ukuthi what really happened. Iqiniso lakhe lingenda mhlambe kokuthi bantu bafune ukuyithenga le ndlu. So wasicoca story sakhe ukuthi makwakhe washonela lapha phakathi wabulawa umfana kwamakhelwane njengoba semvile asicoca story, but till today abakabutholi bulungiswa. So people are suggesting kuleya ntombatane bathi animhlanyisi ngani lo mfana. It's a very sad story nkosi yami ngokuthi umuntu nje abulale mntalo wakho njalo njena ungayitholi bulungiswa aphinda ahlale khona laphana ekhaya kubo. No one says anything, ifamily yakhe ayikhulumi lutho. It's just so sad. And vele uyohlala njani ekhaya kini uhlezi umbona umuntu wabulala mako wakho, uhlala naye kamakhelwane, uhlala kamakhelwane uyambona every day. It's just so sad nkosi yami. So this was her story. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.